Plant protein extraction. This process involves homogenization of the plant leaf sample followed by acetone precipitation for protein extraction. Leaf homogenization. Select the plant leaf sample of interest and weigh around 300 mg of the leaf on an aluminium foil. Transfer these leaves to a chilled mortar and carefully add liquid nitrogen to it, which helps in drying up the leaves instantaneously. Grind the leaves well using a pestle to obtain a fine powder. To this powder, add around 0.5 ml of lysis buffer containing trichloroacetic acid, acetone and dithiothiotol and grind it well until a fine paste is obtained. The lysis buffer causes the plant cells to swell and finally break open, thereby disrupting the membrane and releasing all its intracellular contents. Add another 1 ml of lysis buffer to the paste and then transfer the solution into a fresh tube after grinding thoroughly to obtain a uniform mixture. Centrifuge the sample at 10,000 rpm for 5 minutes and maintain a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius during the process to ensure that there is no denaturation of the proteins. Discard the supernatant and retain the pellet containing plant proteins along with various other intracellular components. Incubate the pellet at -20 degrees Celsius for an hour. Protein precipitation. Remove the pellet from -20 degrees Celsius and add chilled acetone to it. Mix the sample well by vortexing to obtain a uniform solution. Centrifuge the contents at 4 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes at a speed of 10,000 rpm. Discard the supernatant and repeat the acetone washing at least 3 times to remove all plant pigments. Obtain protein pellet at room temperature. Reconstitute this pellet with rehydration buffer. Vortex the sample to obtain a uniform solution. Centrifuge the contents the following morning at 10,000 rpm for 5 minutes. Collect the supernatant containing proteins in a fresh tube and store it at -20 degrees Celsius until protein quantification is performed.